Definitions of the following. 1. Heat of reaction. All these definitions are very important for 1 mark question. Then this same definition can be asked by giving the statement and asking you to write what does it mean. Give one word or fill in the blanks. Anyway, these questions can be asked, therefore study all the definitions mentioned in this section. These are based on the syllabus only. 1. Heat of reaction. Heat of reaction may be defined as the change in enthalpy involved in a chemical reaction when the number of moles of reactants are indicated by the balanced chemical equation change completely into the products. 2. Heat of formation. The representation is delta FH. Now it is read as heat of formation. This F represents the symbol for it. The heat of formation of or enthalpy of formation is the change in enthalpy of the system when 1 mole of a substance is formed directly from its elements. Third one, standard heat of formation. The symbol is delta FH raised to the power 0. That represents the standard condition. The change in enthalpy involved in the formation of 1 mole of a compound in the standard state directly from its constituent elements and also present in their standard state. That means the reactants and the product should be in the standard state. For example, 298 Kelvin and 1 atmosphere. These are the conditions. In that case, it is called standard heat of formation of the given compound. Fourth one, heat of dilution. The heat of dilution or enthalpy of dilution represents to the enthalpy change associated with the dilution process of a component in solution at constant pressure. Now, fifth one, heat of neutralization. Heat of neutralization or enthalpy of neutralization may be defined as the change in enthalpy of the system when 1 gram equivalent of an acid is completely neutralized by 1 gram equivalent of a base or vice versa in dilute solution. That is known as heat of neutralization. Now, heat of combustion. Representation is delta CH. C represents the combustion. The heat of combustion or the enthalpy of combustion of a substance may be defined as the change in enthalpy involved in a complete combustion of 1 mole of a given substance in the presence of excess of oxygen or air. Now, a term is given in the syllabus to explain regarding the heat of neutralization of strong acids and strong bases. Constancy in the heat of neutralization. The value of heat of neutralization depends upon the nature of the acid and the base, whether they are strong or weak. You have to study only strong acid and strong base. There is a constant value of heat of neutralization. Why? Give reason, question can be asked. For strong acids and strong bases, the heat of neutralization for strong acid and a strong base is always constant and is equal to a value minus 57.1 kilojoules or minus 13.7 kilocalories. For example, hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide and forms sodium chloride and water. The delta H is equal to minus 57.1 kilojoules. Hydrochloric acid and lithium hydroxide gives lithium chloride and water. The same delta H, that is minus 57.1 kilojoules. Nitric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide and forms sodium nitrate and water. Same delta H, which is equal to minus 57.1 kilojoules. We want to know what is the reason. I'll explain the reason.